the inside. Chief Tuckhead the fifth is in between horses. Huguenot runs in sixth, Unbridled Wish seventh on the far outside. Maps Hope is eighth, Tenacious Star is ninth. Nicky is 10th by 6. And Jomal Slew trails the field and around the far turn. Ari the one-man party going head-to-head with Laurie's Lion.
Come on, Ace.
Just in behind the Moonlight Gambler on hold. At the steady did Moonlight Gambler. Unbridled Wish there on the far outside, along with Chief Tuckhead. And then it's a break of another 3. Maps Hope cuts the corner nicely. Field off the turn and into the stretch. Chief Tuckhead now seizes the lead and opens up. Chief Tuckhead in front. Out of the one-man party second. Maps Hope coming up the inside third. Farther back, Tenacious Star in tight. Into the final 100 yards. And it's going to be Chief Tuckhead now. Who ran was home a 6-length winner in the finale here. Artie the one-man party was second. Maps Hope was third and Unbridled Wish was fourth.